these two slabs that are broken here, and we're gonna use some bucket for that because this slab right here is all broken up. So we'll take care of that.
Good. Three more pace. Shake it more. Okay.
Oh man, this guy loaded me up on one side, too much weight on one side. Luckily I got 4 ply tires, so they're handling it pretty good, but look at this. Okay, so we gotta put this job on hold because it's raining and we can't pour because if we stop pouring it's gonna start messing up the concrete. But we got one pad done. We started that section over there, but then we couldn't get it finished, so just gotta wait for it to dry a little bit so we can give it a brush finish. So yep, that's how it is sometimes. Alright, so we got this pad done yesterday. Now we're gonna go do this pad right here. It's a slightly smaller pad with the help of 2 guys. It's about 928, so this should be good. Oh boy, I'm glad I got these 2 guys who will help me out. I just got done with this pad right here earlier. These 2 pads right here. It's pretty big actually. So now on to the other one. The mud mixer is great for a little tight spot like this, where it's a 30-inch section over here. So that's really great for this. Over here. So we did all this already. With the mud mixer. Looking good. That still took 2 yards. Yep, 2 pallets of concrete. Look at all these bags of concrete. This pad is done yesterday. This pad is done today. That section over there just got done now, and just got to clean up all this mess. All right, so we just got done with these pads over here, and yeah, these are the 2 pads we got done with. It's time to go home, guys.